In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator for Bybit 2FA. First, open the Bybit app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon, then go to Security or Account and Security. Look for Google Authenticator or Google 2FA and tap Enable or Set Up. Bybit will first ask you to send a code to your email or phone to confirm it's really you. Enter that code to continue. On the next screen, you'll see a QR code and a backup key for Google Authenticator. Write this key down somewhere safe in case you lose your phone. Now open the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Tap the plus button, choose Scan a QR code and scan the code shown in Bybit, or choose Enter a setup key and type in the key manually. You'll see a new Bybit 6-digit code appear in Google Authenticator. Go back to Bybit. Enter the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator plus any email/SMS code if requested, then tap Confirm. Your Google Authenticator 2FA is now turned on, and you'll need that 6-digit code each time you log in or withdraw for extra security. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.